Hi, my name is Mike Labitzke. I'm a Deputy Director of the Utilities in charge of engineering and in Evansville, Indiana. And I'm here to tell the story about what's been happening in Evansville over the last 2.5 years. Spring of 2010, the city took back their operation management of the utility back in-house. It had been contracted with a private management firm for 17 years previous to that. And then November of 2010, later that year, we were a consent decree was lowered on us by the EPA and the Department of Justice. And that consent decree was finalized in July of 2011. So we've learned a lot here in the last 2.5 years about both operations management and planning for the water and sewer utility on the sewer side. Over those 2.5 years, we have learned how to dramatically increase flows to our 2 wastewater treatment plants. We've learned how to improve our cleaning of our sewer system, and with that we're also learning how to, for the first time, inspect our lines with CCTV trucks and other inspection methods. We're required by decree to do 75 miles per year, and we're doing that in-house. We will do that in-house this year in 2012.
The Evansville West treatment plant is a conventional activated sludge plant, along with a BAF filter installed approximately 6 years ago. Together, removing bottlenecks, together they have been operated to treat as much as 40 million gallons per day. The CAS Phase 3 stormwater project is one phase of a 5-phase project to relieve stormwater flooding on the southeast side of town. The target area is actually a combined sewer area, so during heavy rainfall, the neighborhoods get combination sewage backup in the intersections and in some homes. So this 5-phase project totaling $18 million will relieve approximately a 40-acre neighborhood of that combination sewage flooding. The CMOM portion of the consent decree is required to clean at least 75 miles of sanitary sewer line between 8-inch and 15-inch pipe annually, so that every foot of the sewer that size is cleaned throughout the whole system once every 7 years. So the level of cleaning that we're cleaning to now is much greater than to what was cleaned previously under the operation manager. We're cleaning to a level so that we can camera the lines as well. So we're looking at about 95% clean line in order to camera and inspect the lines as well. The CCTV portion of our inspection involves following the cleaning and vacuuming operation, and this is really the first time on a proactive basis that the City of Evansville has looked inside their lines on a regular basis. We are also committed under the consent decree of the CMOM portion of the consent decree to inspect 75 miles of line between 8 and 15-inch throughout the system, so that in 7 years the entire system has had a camera or some type of inspection completed on it.
We've prepared a draft submittal to the consent decree. The integrated overflow control plan was submitted July 31st of 2012 this year, and that consists of a combination of a long-term control plan and a sanitary sewer remedial measures plan. That plan in combination was $227 million to be built out over the next 20 years. That's currently in draft form under review by the federal government, and with a final submittal due November this year. So we're learning a lot, both from the operations side and the planning side here in Evansville.